Today we're doing Texas style spare ribs, so come join us. Amber and I have lived all over the country. We've lived out in Colorado, St. Louis, the Carolinas, Florida twice. All of the places have some good barbecue and good barbecue to offer, but we do like the Texas barbecue a lot, especially Amber, because it is more savory. I do lean towards the sweet barbecue. Today we're going to get a little combination of both though. As far as our seasoning, we are going to use a little bit of a binder with the yellow mustard. Then we're going to put some black pepper on there. And then after the black pepper, we're going to use some holy cow. And then later on, when we wrap the rib and put it in the sauce and put it in the cooler to sit for about an hour, we're going to use some Tillman's Barbecue Chipotle Apple. That's made here in Florida. We got the apple cider vinegar spritz. Just in case we need it, if it looks a little dry, we will spritz it, but we don't. We want to use that very sparingly. So now we're going to get our spare rib ready. We're going to get this trimmed up, round off the edges. We're going to cut off the chine bone. I've already removed the membrane from the back of it and sliced off the little flap that's on the back, and also taken off the excess fat. We're going to take off the little bit of the excess fat here and get this rounded up so we can get it going. Alright, we're going to put a little yellow mustard on here for our binder. Now we're going to put on some coarse black pepper. So we're going to smoke these at 250 for about 4 to 5 hours till the internal temperature reaches about 195. Then we're going to take them off. We're going to put some of the sauce on aluminum foil, put it meat side down, wrap it in the sauce, and then wrap it in the aluminum foil. And then we're going to put it in our blue cooler for at least an hour to 2 hours. Then we're going to pull it out, unwrap it, and have some great ribs tonight. This is another recipe I got from Meat Church. It's a very easy recipe. Okay, we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes so the spices can adhere to the ribs. We're going to go ahead and fire up our Rectech RT700 to 250 degrees. And by the time that's ready, the ribs will be ready to put on. So let's go. Alright, our ribs are through smoking. As you can tell, nice bend to them, no break. Turned out perfect. Got the bone showing right there. We temped it. It's right at 195. So now we're going to put our sauce down. Then we're going to put our ribs meat side down. Going to wrap it up, put it in the cooler for about an hour. To the blue cooler. We'll see you in about an hour. Alright, our ribs have been in the cooler for about an hour and 15 minutes. So we're ready to open them up and try some out. They look and smell great. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's slice up some ribs here and try it out. Very tender. Nice smoke ring to it. Man. I do have to say, this is smacking good. The pepper with the holy cow, love it. Got just a little bit of sweet with the chipotle apple. With this stuff is good. So guys, go out there and make you some good ribs. Give it a try, because everything's better together.
Mm. Mm-mm-mm.